Next, we are discussing a very important concept, that is ambiguous cases on triangle. So we have 8 cases. In these 8 cases, we have to tell that whether triangle is possible or not. If triangle is possible, how many triangle possible, that we have to tell. Okay, so here we are discussing this one. So you can see here we have B, C and angle B. So what you will do, here we don't have A and we want angle B. So we have a triangle. This is capital A, capital B and capital C. So we have to find out angle B first. This side is small a, this is small b and this is small c. So what is cos B? Cos B is what? A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. Cross multiply. So what will come? 2AC cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square. If you take this one, this side, what will come? A square minus 2C cos B A plus C square minus B square equal to 0. This will come. Okay, we know that A is what? Sides of a triangle. Okay, so we can say that A should what? Belongs to R plus. Okay, A belongs to R plus. From here we are finding A value. So A equal to what will come? 2C cos B plus minus root over B square 4 C square cos square B minus 4. A is what? A is what? 1 and this is C. C square minus B square divided by 2 into 1. This will come. So A equal to what? 2C cos B plus minus, from here we are taking 4 common. So if we take 4 common, we will get 2 root over C square cos square B minus C square plus B square divided by 2. 2 getting cancelled. We'll get what? A C cos B plus minus root over, from here we are taking minus C square common. What will come? Minus cos square B minus 1 plus B square. This will come. So what will come? A equal to C cos B plus minus root over, this is what? Plus. Okay, 1 minus cos square B is what? Sin square B. So what will come? Minus C square sin square B plus B square. This will come. Okay, so this we are writing here. So A equal to what will come? C cos B plus minus root over B square minus C square sin square B. B square minus C square sin square B. Okay, and we know that A belongs to what? R plus. Okay, so if triangle is possible, that means A should what? Belongs to R plus. So we are finding condition for that A should what? R plus. Okay, first thing is what? This should what? Greater than or equal to 0. First thing what we have to check? B square minus C square sin square B is greater than or equal to 0. Then only A is possible, otherwise A is not possible. A is what? Imaginary. If A is imaginary, that means triangle is not possible. So first thing is what? This one. For triangle, B square minus C square sin square B should be greater than or equal to 0. So what will come here? B square is greater than or equal to C square sin square B. You know B is what? Positive and C is also positive and sin B also positive. That means B should be what? Greater than or equal to C sin B. Okay, in a triangle B, C and sin B all are positive. So first thing will come out, B is greater than or equal to C sin B. Then only A will be possible, otherwise A is not possible. If B is less than C sin B, that means triangle is not possible because A is what? Imaginary. Okay, now if this condition is satisfied, then we will check how many triangle possible. Number of triangle. Okay, so number of triangle depend on what? A values. We have two values of A. One is what? Positive, other is what? Negative. So if first condition is satisfied, B is greater than or equal to C sin B, then second thing we have to check what? A. If A is what? Positive, that means triangle is possible. If A is not positive, that means triangle is not possible. So one by one we are checking. Okay, so here second thing depend on what? Angle B. Okay, so here we are taking case 1. Case 1 is what? If B is less than 90 degree. So there are two values of A will be there. One is what? Positive, other is what? Negative. So A equal to what will come? C cos B plus root over B square minus C square sin square B, and other is what? A equal to what? C c cos b minus root over b square minus c square sin square b. Okay, there are two values of a, one is positive, other is negative. So here we are checking if b is less than 90, that means c cos b is what, positive, and this is already positive. So we can say that a is what, a belongs to R plus. That means triangle is possible. Okay, in this case triangle is possible. This case we are checking. Okay, so b is what, less than 90, that means this is positive, but minus of this one. So this is what, minus of that. There are difference will be there. That means a should be positive if modulus of c cos b is greater than root over b square minus c square sin square b. Okay, if this is greater than this one, okay, and b should be what, less than 90, then triangle is possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. So we are simplifying this. So this is positive only, so we are doing square. So what will come, c square cos square b is greater than b square minus c square sin square b. So if we take this one, this side, what will come, c square in bracket cos square b plus sin square b is greater than b square. So here will come out c square is greater than b square. We know that c and b are positive, so from here what will come, c is greater than b. Okay, so in this case triangle is possible. Okay, so we can say that if b is less than 90 and c is greater than b, okay, if b is less than 90 and c is greater than b, then how many triangle possible? Two triangle possible. Two triangle possible. Two triangle possible. Okay, but if b is less than 90 and c is less than b, then only one triangle possible, that is this case. Okay, this case there is no triangle, so only one triangle possible. One triangle possible. Okay, that is about b is less than 90. Next case is what, second case. Next case is what, case 2. Case 2 is what, if b is greater than 90 degree. Okay, so there are two values of a possible. A is what, c cos b plus this one, and c cos b minus this one. So a equal to what, c cos b plus root over b square minus c square sin square b, and other value is what, a equal to c cos b minus root over b square minus c square sin square b. Okay, so first thing is what, this one, b is what, greater than 90, that means cos b is what, negative. So this is negative and this is positive. That means triangle is possible if modulus of c cos b is less than root over b square minus c square sin square b. Then only triangle possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. So we are doing square. So what will come, c square cos square b is less than b square minus c square sin square b. Okay, if you take this one, this side, what will come, c square cos square b plus sin square b is less than b square. So from here what will come, c square is less than b square. So from here what will come, c is less than b, because c and b are positive. Then only triangle possible. So in this case, if b is greater than 90 degree and c is less than b, then triangle is possible. If c is less than b, that means triangle is, c is greater than b, then triangle is not possible. Okay, now if you get this case, okay, b is greater than 90, so this is negative and this is also negative. Okay, so that means a is what, less than 0. Okay, that means triangle is not possible. Triangle is not possible. Okay, so this one also we can categorize in two categories. First is what, this one, another is what, this one. First is what, if b is greater than 90 degree and c is less than b, c is less than b, then one triangle possible. One triangle possible. If c is greater than b, then no triangle. Okay, that is case 2. And the last case is what, if b is 90 degree. So case 3, b equal to 90 degree. If b equal to 90 degree, that means this is 0 and sin square is what, 1. So what will come, a equal to what, root over b square minus c square, another is what, a equal to minus root over b square minus c square. In this case, no triangle. Okay, in this case, if triangle is possible if b square is greater than c square. Okay, equal to is not possible. If equal to, that means a will be 0, that means there is no triangle. So b square should be greater than c square, so b should be greater than c. Okay, so if b equal to 90 degree and b is greater than c, then one triangle, and if b is less than c, no triangle. Okay, so these are the 3 cases will be there. Okay, next we are discussing these 8 cases. So first is what? B is less than c sin b. Okay, so this will not satisfy this condition. That means what? A is not possible, that means roots are imaginary. So what will come? No triangle. Okay, in this case this condition will not satisfy, that means there is no triangle. Second case, b equal to c sin b and b is what? 90 degree. If b is 90 degree, that means sin b is what? 1. So what will come? B equal to c, and b is what? 90 degree, that means this case will come. Okay, so b equal to 90 degree and b is greater than c, then only triangle possible, otherwise triangle is not possible. That means for this one, no triangle. Okay, but if this condition is there, b equal to c sin b. Okay, this I am discussing separately. Okay, b equal to c sin b, that means this is what? 0. So a is what? C cos b. A equal to what? C cos b. Now here there are 2 values of b possible. B is what? Less than 90 degree and b is greater than 90 degree. If greater than 90 degree, that means a is what? Less than 0, so no triangle. Okay, and if b is less than 90 degree, that means a is what? Positive. So a is what? Greater than 0. Or how many values of a possible? Only 1 values, because if this is 0, that means only one root, that means a equal to c cos b. So in this case, how many triangle possible? Only one triangle. This you remember separately. Only one triangle possible if b equal to c sin b and b is what? Less than 90 degree. Now case number 3. Case 3 is what? B is greater than c sin b. That means this will satisfy this condition. And b is less than c and b is less than 90 degree. That means b is less than 90 degree, this one, and b is less than c. That means c should be greater than b. So how many triangle possible? 2 triangle. So here 2 triangle possible. 2 triangle. Next is what? This one. B is greater than c sin b and b is greater than 90. That means this case will come, and here c is less than b. C is less than b. So how many triangle? 1 triangle. So here 1 triangle possible. 1. Next case, b is greater than c sin b. Okay, b is greater than c sin b and b is greater than 90. That means this case only will come, and here what? C is greater than b. That means this will come. So how many triangle? No triangle. So no triangle. Okay, next case what? B is greater than c sin b and b is greater than 90 degree. That means this only will come, and here c is less than b. C is less than b. That means c is less than b, this one. So how many triangle? 1 triangle. So what will? 1 triangle. Okay, I think this one and this one both are same only. Okay, next what? B is greater than c and b equal to 90 degree. That means this case will come. B equal to 90 degree and b is greater than c. So b is greater than c. How many triangle? 1 triangle. So in this case, how many? 1 triangle. And b is less than equal to c and b equal to 90 degree. Okay, b equal to 90 degree and b is less than equal to c. Okay, so b is less than c, no triangle, and equal to also no triangle. So in this case, no triangle. Okay, so these 8 cases we can solve like that.